Now, most likely you're going to want to be tracking your results, things like Google Analytics and maybe the Facebook pixels and so forth. If you need to add tracking code to your funnel or website, this video should help address that right away. There's a couple of places that you can add it. So I'm going to start with funnels. What you'll do is you'll click Sites, you'll select your funnel under Funnels, and then it should bring up your funnel here. Now, if you look up at Settings, if you want to have funnel-wide tracking code in the head tracking code, here's where you would edit. If you want to have body tracking code for the entire funnel, this is for every page in your funnel, you would pop it here under the body. So depending on where your code goes, if it goes in the header, you pop it here. If it goes in the body, you pop it there. Now, that will add it to the entire funnel, all the different steps on there. Now, if you have a website that you want to do it on, what you can do is select websites. It's the same thing, head tracking code or body tracking code. Now you can also add this to specific pages. So maybe you want to have events like, Facebook events, code onto individual pages and so forth. Let me show you how to do that. So you open up the specific page in the builder, you go up to settings and tracking code. And here you can add code to the header by putting it here. If you want to add code to the footer, you can put it here. So that's how you add tracking code to the sites and also the funnels. If you have any questions, let us know.